Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's me. If you guys are new to my channel, sorry I've been MIA for a little bit, but I am back and today I have a cleaning video for you guys. I am going to do my bedroom. I haven't done my bedroom in a minute. It really didn't take me that long at all to clean this room, and what I noticed is that I minimize a lot of stuff. So if you notice in my bedroom, I will show you guys. I literally only have a dresser, a chest. I have, and it's still new. I literally just put this together. If you follow me on Instagram, I'll put the link down below. I just put this together the other day. There's just little stickers on there still. But I literally just have a chest, a TV. I have 2 nightstands and my bed, and that's pretty much it. I have a doggy bed. And that is pretty much all I have in my bedroom. So as you guys can see, there is not a lot of stuff in my bedroom. So therefore, what I have learned is it doesn't take long at all to clean my bedroom, which I love because I have a lot more better things to do. But let me go ahead and show you guys this video right quick. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button down below if you like these types of videos. And let's go ahead and get started. So I don't know about you guys, but I have to have some kind of caffeine or quick energy boost, and so I chose chocolate on this day. But if it's not chocolate, it's Starbucks or coffee or something. So you're probably wondering why I have this hanging organizer. This is where I currently keep my makeup, but I did order a new one on Amazon, so I'll let you guys know once I get it. So next I'm just clearing off the dressers, and I do have to admit something. I have a new favorite right now. This peony scent is like, oh my god, I'm so in love with this smell. It smells so good, even more than my lavender and lilac that I was so much in love with. So definitely try this one if you guys haven't already.
Slow down. I wanna live right now. I'm not worried, thinking about tomorrow. I'm feeling everything I need from you. It's all I believe in. I know you feel it too. Will everything we know be lost and changed for something new? Only time will tell.
So next you'll see me changing out the pillowcases and the bed sheets. I try to at least have one extra set of bed sheets for my bed.
I'll be holding you. So fragile, like it was built to break off the handle. How'd we get to this place? We're leaving everything behind for new and exciting feelings, but I won't leave you. Will everything we know be lost and changed for something new? Only time will tell, but I'll be holding you. I'll be holding you.
So I got these Swiffer dusters from, I think it was the Dollar Tree or Family Dollar, one of those, but it was literally only $1, and they worked really well. As you can see here, it picks up all the dust, and it did drop just a minute tiny amount, so it's definitely worth it. I think it did a great job.
You're worrying, you'll end up in the wrong hands, and you're having fun. Why don't you show your friends? And you're having fun. What if it never ends? I'm lucky since 30.
To finish it off, I love using some kind of air freshener or fabric freshener, so I'm using this one by Febreze. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you like these types of videos, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below so you don't miss out on any future videos, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye.